At that time, I was in my office. Really, I don't know what is happening. But hours after I recovery, that time I was in hospital, in Medina Hospital. My first time, I see the nurses and doctors that are doing some activities to help me. I have one message I would like to send my country or my people. Somalia. We don't have other country. So it is compulsory to stand one by one.